chung khai thử sang là phở hoàng thắng ba gà nề nhau nam là cha chơi share hoa thang xem dê tham dê gà hoa cử chế đê si kỳ nam chô khe không lô cụ chú phê bà là phổ mô nái xem tinh nê cũng khám sang về chăm tí chuột thu chế nàng nghe vợ sẽ kê kỹ năng cả tình ý là cha kê ngã ý nghĩ mà kê na ý ta hoa cha kê nàng kê kỹ năng cả tình chế mẹ làm thế đi thế hoa vô lệ xa ba đi là cha kê na ý thế tình tự đi cả tình chế thu chế năng sang tình quá sâu là cha kê na ý thế tình
MCs as they get ready for their performances. So soon you'll be seeing our MCs on stage as well. How's everybody feeling today? Can I get a huge cheer?
Mumai bege nangmatu she ni sigulam shuai ani intinalajik shu chogachi. Good morning everyone. I wanted to introduce a little bit about us. Few of us are former graduates from the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts, founded by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the only institute in exile, the first institute formed in 1961, mainly to preserve our culture, language, identity. And today, every Tibetan community has a former ex-Tipa member who teaches our younger generation to continue our culture, to keep our culture and identity alive. So this is the long vision of His Holiness right after leaving.
archival pieces upstairs, which are only here today, and the His Holiness Dalai Lama collection over by the elevators. Our next performance is a solo dance to the song titled Topu, which roughly translates to strong or powerful one. Please welcome back to the stage our very own Sanala Sidin.